Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Velvet Lounge kitchen table gardening session. So yes, this is season 2 of us doing our kitchen table gardening. You can see previous videos on some of the gardening we did, and we planted mustard greens, celery, scallions, etc. So you could check those out. This season I am doing some heirloom carrots so far. I plan on doing some more plants, but that's what I've done so far. These are 8 days old. It's pretty remarkable for 8 days. And the only thing you need to grow your own carrots right on top of your kitchen table are you need carrots that actually still have the bottoms on them. You need a knife. You need water. And I like to use a clear glass or a clear jar. And just make sure you're able to get your hand down into the glass or the jar, because you will want to, like sometimes if your carrots fall over, you'll want to put your hand in there to stand them back up. A piece of plastic. And that's it. Once you get further along, you will need the dirt. And this is just potting soil. And you'll need some toothpicks, or you can even use chopsticks. And that's it. So what I did is I cut the bottoms off of the carrot. So this is what the bottom looks like on the carrot. And I cut them so that there's about maybe 3 inches, maybe 3.5 inches of the carrot. And then there's like just the very bottom part of it still in existence. And you can use a regular bag of orange carrots if you want to for this as well. And I use the heirloom carrots just because I love colors, and these are purple, yellow, and orange. Back in the day, genetic modifying the plant's seeds. But anyway, after these carrots, so just looking at this carrot, for example, you will see that there is a little sprout right there. That little like piece that you see sticking out is a tiny sprout. The sprouts actually that's what you want, because what will happen is carrots will grow from that sprout. So, and get this green leafiness at the top. So when you have enough sprouts, these probably have another 4 or 5 days in the water. So what I did initially is put these in the water for 4 to 5 days, and I think it was like 5 days. And then 3 days ago, I put them in the dirt. And at the bottom of this planter, I have a little bit of little tiny stones so that the water can drain. So I put the stones at the bottom. I put some of the, this is a bagged soil, so I put some of the soil in. Then I put a layer of eggshell. Then I put some more soil on top. Then what you do is you simply sit down into the soil, push it all the way down so that you can only see. Then you just gently cover the top with a little, in about 3 days. And then what you do is toothpicks, but you want them to be about this long. They don't need to be any. You stick those into with a piece of plastic wrap, creating your own miniature greenhouse. After the plants have grown enough to touch the plastic wrap, then take the plastic wrap off. You do want to make sure that your soil is slightly damp, not soaking damp, floating damp, and you definitely don't want it to be dry. And within 8 days, this is exactly what you will get. And of course, you know, plants need sun. So what I do is ceiling windows so it gets full sun. So I'm going to let them just stay here and continue to grow. And that is how easy it is to grow your own food right on top of your kitchen table. So I hope that you guys try this, post some pictures, send some suggestions if you have like a plant that you want me to try on top of the kitchen table, and I'll gladly do that. But thank you so much for tuning in. Please remember to subscribe as well as give us a thumbs up. And we appreciate you guys tuning in and enjoying our kitchen table gardening session.